throughout the period, we managed to recover some 16 firearms from across the entire St. Andrew South space, primary of which are within these hotspots where persons have been arrested and charged for same or otherwise. I want to put this in perspective because last year, this time, we would have recovered 5 such firearms, and at that time we thought it was a big achievement in recovering 5 over a 31 to 34 days period. Well, we have recovered 16. We are deliberate. We are persistent in ensuring that we disarm, we dismantle, and that we displace our criminals out of St. Andrew South to create safer space. And it is with that we're appealing to residents. If you see something, say something. We do believe that those of us who are for law and order far exceed those who are bent on committing crimes within our space. And as such, we say to you, if you see something, please feel free to call 119. Or like I often say to you, you can call me directly at 832-9082 as we carry this fight of ensuring that St. Andrew South become a beacon of peace and law and order. Since the start of 2025, we have had some rough patches, if I may say. We have seen where our murder figures have spiked above that where we were last year. Last year, for the month of January, we recorded 3 murders. 2024, 2025, we are at 13 murders. But I want to assure residents, I want to assure the Jamaican public that this is not something necessarily to be overly alarmed about. As police officers, we are assiduously working and confident of reading back these figures. And we're working with our supporting partners within and outside of the JCF to ensure that the perpetrators of these crimes are brought to books. It is through those efforts, of course, that the various successes have been reaped, even amidst those challenges, and that we are currently experiencing a spate of peaceful days. And we are also removing some of our most violent criminals from our streets.